joint compound. Blue top and green top is what they call it. This one happens to be the dust control. I like to use this for my first and second coat after the tape coat. It's really good for finishing. It's really easy to work with. It's already pre-mixed in the bucket and ready to go. I don't do my tape coat with that though. I like to use Durabond. Buyer beware. If this is your first time doing a patch like this, or you're pretty new to it, you might not want to use this. This is a powder that you mix with water and it has a chemical cure, and this stuff dries like concrete or cures like concrete. So if you put too much of this on, you'll never sand it off without tearing the drywall apart. Now this, Easy Sand, this is Easy Sand 5. They have 20, 90. I've talked about this a lot in my videos. If you want to get a drywall repair done quickly, this is what you want to use. This is another type of chemical cure. It's a powder that you mix with water and it can dry very quickly. You can get a patch done within a day. This is Easy Sand 5, which means you have 5 minutes of working time to get the patch done. So buyer beware on this too. If you think it's going to take longer than that, or if you're in no hurry, then feel free to use this stuff. It doesn't matter what you use for joint compound. The only difference is that the hot mud, or the stuff you have to mix, will cure a lot quicker and you can get the job done a lot faster. My only suggestion is to add a little water to the premix stuff just to make it a little easier to spread.